You're using YouTube all wrong. Your life is ticking away second by second. What will you do with the next few minutes? Scroll mindlessly some more? Or learn how to use this powerful tool properly for learning and entertainment. So the best way to use YouTube for learning, I know I love watching stuff on this. Let's say I'm checking out this incredible video on animations in Keynote. I want to learn more from this guy. I click on subscribe, and then I click on this little bell, and now I will get notifications when they make a new YouTube video automatically. Learn to amaze and astound with your new powers of efficiency, content delivery, and/or comic artistry. And don't forget the suggested videos most of us put up as next steps at the end. For example, on this channel, now you can choose a strand: tech hack, get digitally creative, entertainment, or explainer video.
The world is a remix.